Today is the last day I will put on this uniform. Y'all, I'm real excited about this. Y'all have no idea. I can't even describe how I feel. Like, I'm not sad at all. I'm not even the least bit sad at all. I'm so excited to go out and finally work the gifts that God has given me. My creative ability with YouTube and different projects and decor and different things that I do. Y'all, I'm so excited. Y'all have no idea. This has been a long time coming. Today is the day. These are my last 8 hours I am putting into this job after 12 years of service. If y'all watch my video at the beginning of the year, I did a 2018 goals video, and I told y'all that this year I wanted to leave my job. That was one of the things I wanted to do. And to be honest with y'all, when I wrote down that goal, I was skeptical myself if I was gonna do it, because I was telling myself this every single year. Every year. Every time I would say, okay, this is it. I'm going this year. I'm leaving this year. I'm done. I'm not staying another year. It was always something, always an excuse, always a reason that I felt like I couldn't go. But at the end of the day, it was all fear, period. Listen, if you're at a job right now, and of course you want to make sure, check with your spouse, because you know, this wasn't a decision that I just made on my own. I'm married, we have children, we just bought a new house last year, so this was not something that we took lightly at all. I just think it's really important for you to work in the gift and the natural abilities that God has given you, because I don't feel like He gave them to you for no reason at all. He gave them to you so you could be useful. And not that my job was a bad job. Let me say that. It wasn't a bad job. Actually, I've been in property management for a long time, and this is one of the best property management companies I have ever worked for. So it wasn't that it was a bad job, but it got frustrating to me because it wasn't where I was supposed to be anymore. And just sitting there year after year, knowing that there's so much more in me to do, and to go in there every day and to sit in that office, I felt like I was dying. I felt like my dreams inside me were dying. I felt like if I didn't move now, that my opportunity would be gone. Because I really believe that God gives us all grace, but that grace isn't gonna stick with you forever and ever. If He gives you an opportunity and you don't take it, that opportunity may come around again, but it may not. So I didn't want to miss my opportunity this time. And like they say, God's timing is always right, because once I made that decision, everything just started lining up, like just lining up so perfectly. I couldn't do it myself. I'm telling y'all, opportunities coming my way, money coming my way. I'm gonna just tell y'all just a quick little piece of the story. We had a check sitting in our house, and let me tell you, money was one of the things. Of course, money is one of the biggest things you think about when you're leaving a job. Probably the biggest thing that you're thinking about when you're leaving a job. And we wanted to make sure that we were going to be okay. You know, that we had, you know, something to sit on for a little while. And we did, but not what we wanted, not what we felt comfortable with. So it just got to a point where, like I said, I just felt like I was going in there just dying every day. And I'm like, I can't do it anymore. I can't wait until everything is perfect. Everything is not going to be perfect. At some point, you got to have faith, and you just got to step out there and do it. How can you say you trust God and you feel like He's telling you to do something, but you're saying, oh no, I got to wait till I get this, that, and this? That's not trusting God. That's trusting in yourself. So stepped out and did it. So then we find a check sitting in our house for a few $1,000s, y'all. This check was sitting in our house for 3 months and we did not know. We have, you know, everybody has their stack of mail, and y'all, we went through this stack of mail several times. Almost every piece of mail in that stack was open. But this one particular day, after I gave my notice, I was looking for another piece of mail to take care of a bill or something. And then I see this one letter that's in the mix of it. And I open it up and it is a check. And like I said, it's for a good little bit of money. A few bands. And I couldn't believe it because I look at it like this. Everything is in God's perfect timing. So if we had found that check, actually the check was dated December the 17th, 2017. We just found the check last week. So if we had found that check in December, when I was not prepared to give my notice yet, right before Christmas, chances are a good little bit of that check probably would have been gone. But God hid a check right in our house, right under our noses, and did not reveal this check to us until it was time. Until I had stepped out on faith, like I said, and did what I felt like God was telling me to do. And then God showed his hand like, I got you still. Even though we already know he's had us, to me, it was just confirmation like, we gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all, let me tell y'all something. Trust in God with all your heart. And just know that the things that he has for you, they are for you. And when you feel like God is telling you to do something, don't be afraid to move. Don't be afraid to move. And I just got so caught up in this job and thinking that this job was my source and my supply. I almost forgot how much God has held me and sustained me through all of these years. This job has only been 12 years of my life. But all those other years when I was a single parent and had a job paying way less than I get paid now, me and my family, we've never gone a day without eating. We've always had a roof over our head. We've always had clothes on our back. The essentials have always been taken care of. Basically, what I'm saying is, with a little or a lot, God has always provided for us. And somewhere in the midst of just staying here for all of these years, I forgot that and was looking at this job like it was my source. But it wasn't. He is. And he's always been. So I'm just so thankful this morning, y'all. I just wanted to come on and tell y'all that today is my last day. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Y'all have no idea. Y'all have no idea. Today is my last day. My last day of working. But the first day, well, I guess tomorrow will be the first day of my new life. So if y'all have dreams y'all want to aspire to, go get it, man. Go get it. And to everybody that encouraged me, let me tell y'all, God has blessed me with a real good support system. My husband, my family, I got friends that have just been pouring into me and reminding me, even through this whole time I've been, really toiling over the decision whether to leave. I had people the whole time just telling me like, Anissa, why are you even questioning yourself? Like, the things that you do, they just believe in what I do. I mean, just encouraging me. So thank you, God, for them. Thank y'all. I love y'all so much. Y'all have no idea. Even just, a quick phone call, just telling me how much you love something I did, or how much the greatness that you see in me, y'all. I took none of that for granted. I held on to every piece of encouragement that y'all gave me, and it helped me to make this decision. So thank y'all so much. So to y'all out there, and we are officially the Do Crew, because we gets it done. We do. Gets it, we gets it. So Do Crew, for any of y'all that have dreams and goals and aspirations, and you feel like it's something better or greater in you to do, y'all do it. do it. Even if you got to do it on a part-time basis until you're able to do it full-time, do it. Don't sit on your dreams. Don't die full of dreams. And that was one of my biggest things. I'm like, I don't want to leave here and just not get anything done. Like, this can't be it to life. So I encourage y'all. I'm praying for all of y'all. I wish everybody would have this opportunity to do this, to go forward and to live their dreams. So thank y'all so much for watching this. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. So I'll see y'all on the next video.